How's she going, boys? Mike here. Welcome back to Grampie's Workshop, and Merry Christmas. You know, Nannie and I had the best Christmas gift anybody could ever get. We had our whole family with the grandkids and the great-grandkids. They were all here yesterday, and it was just beautiful. Nothing but chaos in the camp. It was some nice, I must say. I loved it. And you know, we were also lucky because we had some snow still kicking around, so we had a nice white Christmas, and that's always nice to have a white Christmas. You can't beat that. And then last night it was nice and clear with a big bright moon, and the stars were just as sparkling, eh? She looked so nice, just like it says in that poem, the moon on the crest of the new fallen snow. It was some nice, boys. A perfect Christmas, I'd say. hope wherever you are, you had a nice, perfect Christmas too. And Nannie and I just want to pass on our greetings for Christmas and our best wishes for everyone in the new year. Thanks, folks. Thanks for watching. Have a great week, and we'll talk to you soon.